porcelain tiles.
One thing I learned
Yep.
when I was carpentry, use bow ties. I always can use bow ties.
Oh, that's good.
Almost.
Excellent.
Because one hand was getting so tired,
Yeah.
I was hammering it up, right? So from that time, I always, any job, bow tie, almost same, not same.
Very good.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, now I have to get up. This is a little awkward.
Tile. Wow. Look at those ones hardly have anything on them. Isn't that funny? Look at the difference.
Yeah.
That's a real shock, that one. It's almost naked.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I think the ones that have more stuff on them look good in the middle, like this, you know? I think it looks good. You know, any which way.
Yeah, just
They do all look different. Mike checked it and he says these are all the same, you know? They had it on display there and some of them were like not very much and then some have so much on the display thing at the Home Depot. Wow, it's really funny.
you know, sometimes like our own judgment says that it's wrong, you know, our own, like when
Yeah.
you see it, doesn't look right. If tile is something I put it, you're not gonna remove it the next
You
day.
got the feel for it, you know?
Yeah, it's better to use it.
Those ones came out really good up there.
Yeah, you
This
see,
is looking good too.
you remember if I put those
Yeah,
pieces,
might have
it
looked-
would be ugly. It would
Maybe,
be-
maybe.
Now
But
I'm very happy with that.
the what you did, it came out good. Yeah, so you know.
Look at this. Not always give you the right. Yeah,
What is it? What is it? A
slight?
slight chip or something?
Slight chip. Very
Well,
tiny.
to put it towards the wall or something, right?
Yeah, this one. So I'm glad they have. Yeah, but I'm
After all the money I pay, that's what they do to me. These people.
Oh, they always like that. They
I
always
know.
like that. Always. It's not like that. See, if your friend asking for back butter, okay, look.
Yeah.
The reason I don't do back
You
butter,
know what though?
I even didn't push it. But look, I didn't push it, but look.
You know, you're currently doing tiles. He did tiles 20 years ago, so I'm sure that you're ahead of him now.
But the thing is, he's right.
You know.
On the walls, I'm always
Yeah.
on the floor now.
I don't think he's done tiles. 15 years for sure. It's a while, you know.
Yeah.
But he was doing it since the 70s. Since we're kids. I think he started probably 1970. And he was probably, I mean, maybe even before that. Let me think how old he is.
See, the thing
Yeah,
is,
he started before. He started in the 60s probably because he said his dad took him when he was 6 years old. I believe it. I've seen his father. Maybe he started 68 doing tiles. Here we are. Porcelain tile.
there's a difference between me and him.
Yeah.
I'm desperate to work. I'm desperate to make money. to feed my family, right? But when he was a kid, he didn't have to. It's just his father.
Yeah, I was just pushed into it.
Yeah. So what happens is like even if I'm not good, I have to make myself good. I have only one choice:
Yeah.
do good job or die. Yeah. Like lots of people looking up to me to.
It's moving along pretty good.
like that, the other piece.
Mm-hmm.
And I push pressure.
Yeah.
Remember one piece I broke there? I did like this and broke. So tile is sometimes very easy.
It's one of the ones with the L or something? Because I know when it has the L, it's more fragile.
Yeah, yeah. You're right.
Corner.
Toot, toot.